big. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I'm so tiny now. And it's really having to learn all over again that you're a small fish in a big pond.
It's a challenge for us to be humble. Kasi gagraduate ka ng Ateneo, meron kang baon na isang bag ng things that I learned in class. Only to realize that in the real world, at the beginning, no one will listen to you. But you have to work your way up there so that you can actually do something. So it's really important that you not only know the right things, but you know how to do it properly and how to deal with people. Kasi it's not just about you when you're out there in the real world. There are a lot of people that you have to deal with if you want to really make a difference.
I work for the government sector now. What I deal with is reports, mga data. Pero behind those data, behind those reports that I make, meron lagi siyang kaakibat na mga tao yan eh. Actually, I deal with land sa probinsya. So parang naisip ko lagi na hindi lang naman to reports, hindi lang naman to data, pero buhay ng mga tao nito, buhay nila to, lupa nila to.
There's a certain universality when you talk of and you want to do a good job. Here, I guess the magis here is, the emphasis is AMDG. It goes to God. And that's why my question to myself, I keep repeating to myself is, am I doing this for money or am I doing this for God? Is this excellence something that I have to do so I can earn an extra buck? Or do I do it because I want to show my love for the Lord?
The excellence that we're striving for here is excellence that's not about me. It's about others, it's about God, and it's about doing the right thing.
Coming from the corporate world, I mean, you want to do more because your objective is to gain profit. So it's a bit different naman, the way I understand Magis. It's you want to do more, but there's a limit to what you will do. Meaning you still have to be responsible and ethical in the way you treat people, the way you treat your consumers, the way you treat your suppliers, and the people you work with. Hindi naman dahil profit ang end goal mo ay dadayain mo na lahat.
In striving for excellence, it's not just about doing things, whatever they can be. No? It's grounded in a sense of purpose, knowing your priorities, what really matters, and more importantly, being able to see the bigger picture, no? What your role is, what you really want to do, what you really want to achieve, and not just to do things for as ends themselves.